Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, you will learn how to mark a meeting as no show in OnceHub and understand what happens when this status is applied. So when to use no show? If a customer doesn't attend your meeting, you can record this by changing the booking status to no show. You can do this whether the meeting is currently marked as scheduled, rescheduled or completed. The no-show status will appear when you export reports and help you keep accurate activity records. So let's get started. Simply log into your OneSub account and click on the activities on the left hand side to go to the activity stream. Here, locate your meeting and click on set to no-show. Once a booking is marked as no-show, you cannot change it back to the completed. So please make a note of it and simply set to no-show. So you will see the status of NOSO in the summary and the detailed reports when you export them, helping you understand how many NOSO occurred and view their details. So what happens when you mark a meeting as NOSO? If you have a follow-up email set to send after the meeting, it will not be sent if the booking is marked as NOSO before the follow-up trigger time. The calendar event stays on your calendar, but the activity will be recorded as no show in OneSub. And that's it. You now know how to set a meeting as no show and how it affects notification and reporting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.